Hey guys, what's going on? Lucky here. At the shop, as you can see, the place is still a bit of a zoo, but I'm slowly but surely cleaning stuff out, reorganizing, moving stuff into the new shop. This is actually going to be the production shop. We're going to get stuff done over here. And the other shop will be sort of the finishing up shop. It'll be a lot cleaner. And yeah, I have to clean up the mess. We've spent 2 days putting this front suspension in. Could have done it in 1 day, but I actually read the instructions. It was crazy. You guys should have seen it. There is a full video coming on this suspension install on the YouTube channel. Projects that are here. This is sort of a dated build, but we're going to bring that up to date, put an actual original style grill in it, change the front end components on it, change the rims and tires, take the body and cab, cab and bed off of the vehicle, and then redo the frame completely. It's a leaf spring truck. Get rid of that, make it a trailing arm truck, and redo the front suspension, all new brakes, all new everything. Also LS and overdrive, because the guy wants to drive it on a regular basis. Here is Yo's surf truck. I've said this before, this thing is ready for paint, but every time I look at it and it looks ready for paint, to me, the guy doing the body work finds something and has to start over and change his stuff. And I haven't said a word to him other than, can we get this thing done pretty soon? But he's doing an amazing job. He builds a lot. It's kind of what happens. He asks somebody who helps on SEMA builds to, do a quick paint job. This has been probably a year, I think. But it's going to be so nice. The customer's going to have a hard time leaving it anywhere. Which, yeah, whatever. It happens. So yeah, my truck, full QA1 front, cross member suspension. I've just put all this stuff in, has not seen the road yet. I used my QA1 upper control arms. They sent me new lowers and the cradle, rack and pinion. Get up in there so you guys can see the goodness of this goodness. I had to relocate the sway bar forward, and it worked out just perfect behind my transcooler. So I have a transcooler right here with 2 fans, and it keeps my gear star. Very cool considering I'm such a conservative driver. Need to put some shims in it and align it, and then I can probably drive it to the alignment shop. Gonna change some of those Heim joints on the steering right there. It's a little bit sketchy. They make some better stuff than that. And I have it here. I'm going to get that going today. And yeah, that should be really about it. On a side note, speaking of my truck, I have some shirts available still. Lucky stuff at Shopify.com or myshopify.com. Either way, I'll try and put a link. And if not, there is a link in my Instagram bio that is Mobile Tech Lucky on Instagram. And yeah, shirts are still available if you guys are interested. It's good enough for now, don't you think? Anyway, thanks a lot. See you guys later.